today's video, I'm going to deep delve into the concept of an AI automation agency and how you, as a student, as a business owner, can get into this exciting realm. AI automation agencies are gaining momentum, and while it might seem like a new trend, it's far from oversaturated compared to other niches like social media marketing. There's no doubt that AI is a powerful technology. It's already being used in wide range of applications from self-driving cars to medical diagnostics. And as AI continues to develop, we can expect to see it used in more ways. But there's a lot of hype surrounding AI. Some people are making predictions that seems too good to be true. They say that AI will eventually replace human workers and cure all diseases and solve all the world's problems. So what should we do about this AI hype? I think it's important to be realistic about what AI can do and cannot do. We should also be aware of the potential risks associated with AI, such as bias and opacity. But we should also be excited about the potential benefits of AI. AI has the potential to make the world a better place, and we should support its responsible development. So, artificial intelligence is one of the hottest trends in business today. Companies of all sizes are looking for ways to use AI to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and gain competitive advantage. This is where an online business AI automation can come in. AI automation agency help businesses to implement AI solutions to their workflow and processes. This can include tasks such as customer service, marketing, and accounting. Certainly, an AI automation agency, in simple terms, is a business that specializes in using artificial intelligence to automate tasks, processes for other companies. It's like having a team of AI experts who create computer programs and algorithms to handle repetitive and time-consuming tasks, so that business can save time and reduce cost and operate more efficiently. These agencies work with various industries and sectors, from customer service and data analysis to marketing and content creations. They design AI solutions that can do things like answering customer inquiries, analyzing data or for valuable insights, or even generating content for websites. In essence, AI automation agencies help businesses to harness the power of AI to make their operations smoother and more productive. They offer customized solutions to meet specific business needs, making it easier for companies to focus on their core activities while AI take care of the routine work. Understood? So how to build this business? Step 1. To build this business, learn AI. Learning AI can be both exciting and rewarding, and you don't need to be a programming genius to get started. So let's explore this step in more detail. Okay. One way to kickstart your AI journey by exploring no-code AI tools like VoiceFlow, Zapier, Make.com, WordPress, etc. These tools allows you to create chatbot without coding and making automations, making them accessible for non-technical individuals. Imagine you want to help businesses improve their customer support. You can create a chatbot that's capable of answering common questions, common inquiries, scheduling appointment, and even recommending products. And step 2 is market research, finding your niche and crafting your offer. Imagine you gained a basic understanding of where and you are eager to start your AI automation agency. This step is all about finding the right niche for your service. Step 1. Identify your potential niche. Start by brainstorming a list of potential niches. This can be industries, sectors, or specific areas where AI automation could bring values. Let's say you come up with 50 to 100 niches. This could include real estate, healthcare, e-commerce, legal service, and many more. Second, narrow down your options. It's important to narrow down your list to a manageable numbers. Around 10 niches. You can do this by considering factors like your personal interest, market demand, and competition. For example, you might choose real estate, healthcare, and e-commerce as your top 3. Understand the problem. For each of the selected niches, delve deep into the understanding the problems, pain points, and challenges businesses in the industry face. For instance, in the real estate niches, you discover that many real estate agents struggle to generate leads consistently. They spend a lot of time on manual searching for potential clients. So, 4th, dream outcome. Visualize the dream outcome for your business in each niche. In the real estate industry, the dream outcome might be agents to have a steady stream of high quality leads, saving time and boosting their sales. 5th, after thorough research, you might realize that real estate resonates with you. You understand the points and see the potential for AI automation to make a significant impact. You can confidently say, yes, I want to serve real estate professionals. With your niche decided, you can now craft a specific offer. In our example, you decided to offer an AI-powered lead generation service for real estate agents. Your service will use AI algorithm to identify potential clients and provide a constant stream of leads. This solution is directly address the pain points you identified earlier. Seventh, tailor your service. Your service are tailored to solve real problem in the chosen niche. You will design the chatbot, automation system, and data analysis tools specifically to help business real estate professionals generate leads effortlessly. You are not offering a one size fits for all solutions. It's customized to their needs. Step 3 for starting an automation agency is outreach. Now comes the crucial steps of finding clients. You can use various approaches like cold emailing, cold calling, leveraging your social network, or even walking into business to introduce your service. It's a good idea to offer a few free trials to build trust and collect testimonials and case studies. Now let's move on to the exciting part: how to make money with your chatbot. Here's where your AI knowledge turns into a profitable business. You can offer chatbot development service to businesses looking to enhance their customer support. Many companies are eager to automate responses to save time and provide 24/7 support. Imagine a local bakery. They receive numerous inquiries daily about their products, opening hours, and special orders. By implementing a chatbot, you can instantly respond to these inquiries, leading to increased customer satisfaction and potentially more sales. One way to monetize the chatbot service is by charging businesses a one-time development fee. This means they pay you for creating and setting up the chatbot for a specific needs. Another approach is to offer a subscription model. Business pay you monthly fee for ongoing chatbot maintenance, updates, and supports. This provides a steady income stream. Remember that key to success in this business is to continuously improve your chatbot performance. Stay updated with